Hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another drawing tutorial. Today I'll be drawing Peppa Pig. So if you like Peppa Pig, grab yourself a sheet of paper and let's do this. Okay, so today we're going to do it a little bit differently. So instead of using a Sharpie or an ink pen, I'm going to grab a marker that's going to be a darker pink. So I'm going to have two pinks, one for the main body and then the other one to outline. So what I'll do is for the outline, I'm going to use my darker pink. And what we'll do is we'll start on the right side of the page and we're going to start with the nose. So we're going to do a circle like this. And that'll be the nose. And then from here, we can go at the bottom, we'll go over to the left like this. And then we can start here. And what happens with Peppa Pig is these lines, they overlap. Okay, so we're going to come right about here, come down, and then we're going to do the chin, and then we're going to come back and meet up at the top of the nose. So we'll cross through that line. We'll come down, over, and then we'll meet back at the nose over there. Then what we can do is we can draw the ears, and we'll do the ears on this side over here. So right about here, we're going to extend beyond the line. We're going to overlap. So we're going to do one ear like that, and then we'll do another ear like that. For the eyes, we can do two eyes. So right where this ear is, come down from there, and you just draw a circle. And then we'll draw another circle next to that one. Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. So please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Then we can draw a smiley face right about here. Because Peppa is happy today. If you have a marker that has two sides, you can use your thinner part and draw a circle right where this cheek is over here. So let's draw a nice little circle right over there. And then I'll draw two circles where the nose is, inside of the nose. So we'll draw one small circle and we'll do another one like that. I'm going to go and just fill these in. Now I can grab my black ink pen. I can draw an eye. An eyeball inside here, so we'll draw like a circle right here like that, and then I'm just going to make sure that I follow the edge of the pink line that I just drew, and then I'll draw another one on this side. So we'll draw a circle and I'm going to follow the edge like that. And then if you have a black pen or a black marker, you can go and fill the eye in like this. For the body, we're going to come down. I'm going to use a dark red. So I'm going to have two reds again. I'm going to use the darker red. And we're going to come from right around here. We're going to hook over to the left and then come down. And then we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to go right here where the chin is, and we're going to go out to the right and down. And then we can just draw a straight line all the way across and meet back up. Then we can grab our pink, darker pink, and we can draw two legs. So we'll come and draw one over here. So we'll draw two lines, and then we'll draw another two lines on this side like that. Then we can grab our Sharpie and we'll just finish off the feet right now. So we'll draw these two shoes. So we're going to draw a line that is narrow here, but then it comes up and gets wider at the toe area, just like that. And then we'll just fill that in. So right where the ankle is, it's going to be narrow, and you're going to go out to the right. It's going to be almost like a little baseball bat shape. It's going to get wider at the toe. And you can fill those in. Now we have our darker colors that we just used. What we can do now is grab our lighter colors. And for the lighter color, before I color in the shirt, I'm going to draw her hand in here. So I'm going to come down like this. And then I'm going to draw 3 finger shapes. So one this way, one down and to the right a little bit, and then another one over here on the right side. Then we'll come up and we'll hook around for the top part. Then you can just go ahead and color this in if you want right now. Okay. And then the last thing we need to do is get her tail in. So I will draw a curly tail like this. Now, that's a little bit too thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to thicken this up a little bit and kind of outline it so it's a little bit thicker. Just like that. And there you have it. There's the tail. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and use my other 2 colors, the lighter red and the lighter pink, and we're gonna color Peppa Pig in, and we'll see you in a bit. If you want to grab the line art, all you have to do is go down in the description, down over there, find the link, click on that link, and you can download the actual coloring page. And if you don't want to draw it, you can have some fun coloring it in. All right, so that's all you have to do. All right, guys, I had a ton of fun drawing Peppa Pig today with you guys. Hopefully you had a ton of fun as well. Please click the like button and subscribe down below to the channel. I do videos every day and you don't want to miss any one of them. Till tomorrow, see you then.